There's one small step for men, one giant leap for mankind. It suddenly struck me that that tiny pea, pretty and blue, was the Earth. I put out my thumb and shut one eye, and my thumb blotted out the planet Earth. I didn't feel like a giant. I felt very, very small. Shoot for the stars, but if you happen to miss, shoot for the moon instead. Yeah, I wasn't chosen to be first. I was just chosen to command that flight. Circumstance put me in that particular role that wasn't planned by anyone. Research is creating new knowledge. Houston, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed. I believe that every human has a finite amount of heartbeats. I don't intend to waste any of mine. I fully expect that by the end of the century, we would have achieved substantially more than we actually did. There are great ideas undiscovered, breakthroughs available to those who can remove one of truth's protective layers. There are places to go beyond belief. Here, men from the planet Earth first set foot upon the moon. July 1969 AD, we came in peace for all mankind. Mystery creates wonder, and wonder is the basis of a man's desire to understand. You've got to expect things are going to go wrong, and we always need to prepare ourselves for handling the unexpected. Gliders, sailplanes, they're wonderful flying machines, is the closest you can come to being a bird. Pilots take no special joy in walking. Pilots like flying. Geologists have a saying, rocks remember. Each book holds an experience and an adventure. In flying, the probability of survival is inversely proportional to the angle of arrival. Well, I think we tried very hard not to be overconfident, because when you get overconfident, that's when something snaps up and bites you. I can honestly say, and it's a big surprise to me, that I have never had a dream about being on the moon. Which quote in this video was your favorite? Share your opinion in the comments below. Don't miss out on a chance to see the next video showing on the screen. My channel can help you awaken to a life of purpose and presence through the famous words of wisdom from history.